Hello guys, welcome to House of Gamer. And lots of Dota 2 players are suffering from black screen problems, so I thought to make another video on how to solve black screen problems. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos on to solve black screen problem, then the link is given in the description below, so you can go and check that option too. That options also works well for the black screen. And guys, in this method, this is the short method, and this method will also work, but what it will cost is whenever you open the Dota for the first times, it will take little bit long time to open the Dota. So these options obviously have some drawbacks, but the previous video that I made to solve the black screen, that doesn't have any drawbacks. It clearly works for the black screens, and the black screen will never happens if you follow that video, or if you follow this video. Both the videos works fine for the black screen problem. So without doing any further ado, let's go and solve these problems. And if you guys are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and hit a like button if you like the videos, comment down about the videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you never miss any of our updates. So let's go and check for it. Just what you need to do here is just right click on your Dota 2 files and go to the properties section, and in the general options go for set launch option like this, and click on here and just try hyphen or minus PREWARM, and guys, this will help to fix the connecting problem, as well as the black screen problems will not appear if you use these methods, and it will load the game much more faster for especially the low-end systems. And what it does is the initial time of the load of the Dota will be only little bit longer. So if you click on play, and when the Dota 2 initiate or Dota 2 opens, when Dota 2 opens, then it will take a little bit of more than a longer time than it used to be, but what it does is that it will help you remove the black screen problem. So in this screen the loading time will be little bit more, so don't worry about that. It will just take your time in here only, but after this there will be no time consuming in the game for any low-end PC systems. And it will also remove the black screen, as well as it will connect to the server much more faster than it used to be previously. It won't have any reconnecting problems, and if you are forced back to the reconnecting systems, then also you will be able to connect the game much more faster than the usual time. So guys, here our file Dota 2 is open, and there will be guaranteed no any black screen problem, guys. So you can try these methods and you can tell if it works, and if it works, then guys, please subscribe, please share this video too. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this method works for you too.